Hello everyone, I Professor Sagar Chavan welcomes you all to the second day of webinar Introduction and Use of Softwares in Civil Engineering. In this session, we are going to see about the basic details of software used in civil engineering, that is HECRAS software. So let's start with the session. So HECRAS is a software which is used for the hydraulic modeling of any river or any streams, or you can say a open channel. HECRAS stands for Hydraulic Engineering Center River Analysis System. HECRAS is a computer program that models hydraulics of water flow through natural rivers and open channels. Prior to the version 5.0, the program was one-dimensional. Means there are only one dimension is considered for the analysis and simulation purpose. But as version 5.0 introduces, it consists the two-dimensional analysis, which consists of section and shape of the bend for the channel. The program was developed by the US Department of Defense, Army Corps of the Engineer in order to manage the rivers, harbors and other public works under their jurisdiction. After public release in 1995, this software gets the widely publicity and used by the hydraulic engineers. As I told before, the Hydraulic Engineering Center in Davis, California, developed the river analysis system so that their engineers can aid with the hydraulic channel flow simulation and analysis along with the floodplain determination. The software includes numerous data entry capabilities, hydraulic analysis component, data storage, management capabilities, and graphing along with the reporting. Let's see some of the uses of HECRAS software. HECRAS is a computer program for modeling water flowing through system of open channel and computing water surface profile. Means by using HECRAS software, one can simulate the water channel and open channel and find the water surface profile at a particular change and interval. HECRAS finds particular commercial application in floodplain management and flood insurance studies to evaluate floodway encroachment. By using HECRAS software, one can find the flood affected area. Flood forecasting can be done using HECRAS, and for the study of floodway management, the HECRAS also useful. Some of the other uses of this HECRAS software are bridge and culvert design, their analysis, levee study, and channel modification studies. There are certain advantages of HECRAS softwares also. One of the major advantage of this software is it is a free software. One can easily access this software by downloading it and having the operating command on it. So this software is a free, so easy access is there for the user. Then second advantage is graphical user interface. The interpretation of the graphical data is easy by using the HECRAS software. Then GIS capability is one of the advantage. Means the GIS data can be handled by the HECRAS software. The data of the GIS can directly input through the GIS software to the HECRAS, and HECRAS is able to handle those GIS data. The next advantage is ability to import Mike 11 cross section. Mike 11 is another software of watershed management. So HECRAS is unable to handle the Mike 11 cross section, which is directly imported from the Mike 11. Next advantage is widely used across the world. And last one is the detailed technical report and user manual is available. After the simulation and modeling is done, the detailed report can be generated and taken the printout of it so that the hard copy is maintained. And the user manual of this software is available free, which is used for the new user and which will help to utilize the software and access the software. Along with the advantages, there are certain disadvantages of this software also. So let's see one by one. The first disadvantage of HECRAS is model code is not publicly available. The model code is not made publicly available, so one cannot go or one cannot access the model code of the software. The modeling skews of hydraulic structure is limited to only 30 degrees. Beyond the 30 degrees, the modeling cannot be done. The next is The software cannot account for steep slopes about 10% inside the model. Where there are the slopes which is greater than 10%, the software modeling cannot be done. Last one, user may find numerical instability problems during unsteady analysis. While simulating or while modeling with the unsteady analysis or unsteady flow, user may find certain numerical instability with the software. Then there are certain opportunities in HECRAS software also. If anyone has the command or skill of HECRAS software, he can find the career opportunity in the following areas. So let's see one by one. First area where one can find the career opportunity is floodplain and floodway mapping. In floodplain and floodway mapping, the hydraulic engineer with using the HECRAS software, the flood management skills can be utilized and the floodplain area can be studied so that the affected areas can be find out. Then second area where the HECRAS is useful is sediment transport modeling. In sediment transport modeling also there is a career with the HECRAS software. One can go with this reservoir modeling, with reservoir sedimentation modeling also. The next area is rivers and channel flow modeling. Then direct rainfall, surface water and local water course modeling can be done using HECRAS software. And floodway identification and structure interaction means by using HECRAS one can find the flood forecasting, where the flood is going to occur and which kind of structure should be provided so that the flood cannot be occur or flood can be minimized. The next is the working of the software HECRAS. How HECRAS works. So basically HECRAS consists of 4 hydraulic components based on the software works. Those 4 parameters are steady water flow surface profiles, unsteady water flow surface profiles, movable boundary sediment transport, and water quality. On the basis of these 4 basic parameters, the software runs or the software works. Also, HECRAS models the steady flow using energy equation and standard step method. And for unsteady flow, the software uses Saint-Venant equation. So in this graphical chart, we can see the process or working of the software. Inputs, we have to give the inputs such as aerial map, digital elevation model, channel cross section data, land use, hydraulic structure, water quality, water surface elevation as an input. And by analyzing and simulating with the process of profile calculation, flow simulation, then sediment transport computation, analyzing the water quality, this software gives us the output as discharge velocity, water surface elevation, cross section and profiles, flood animation images, flood inundation map, graphs and tables along with those outputs in a reportable printable area, or with one can have a report of that output in a table format. So in this picture we can see the input window of the software, where in left corner you can see the parameters which we have to give as an input, such as cross sectional area, DEM or any aerial map, and as an output the software gives us the table format, which is a printable format. So in this particular table format, discharge velocity, cross sections, profiles at a particular chainage of any particular distance such as 10 meter, 20 meter, that can be find out with the input of this HECRAS software. Thank you.